horsies.
It's picking up some small debris there.
Oh yeah, it's
You
tearing.
can hear it a little bit. That is a huge tornado. It looks clear on your vid cam. I can't tell though.
Okay, just film, please.
Filming.
It's going into Yazoo City, guys. Are we good? Yeah, Kevin, it already crossed the road, right?
In the left lane already.
Yep. Got it. We're good. Clear.
Left on 16 and that thing right there.
Right here?
Left there.
Right here.
On a tree line, those are down, mega down.
Look out the left window. Look out the left window.
Left.
It's our immediate left. We're in the damage path. Oh my God. She crossed right here. Ah, I'm getting wet. Smell it. Smell it. Oh my God. Look for trees and stuff, Kevin.
I'm just kind of following the guy in front of us. If he stops, we stop.
Yep, he's clear. Down trees all over, but we're good. There it is, guys.
It's gonna dance right in.
This is gonna be close. Get ready to hop in, guys.
Oh yeah.
Are we good here?
Yeah, we're good.
It's gonna cross just in front of us.
It's literally in the trees right there.
Yep, we're gonna be good here. We're gonna be good here. Listen to that. All right. Oh, look at that. Look at the vortex. Listen to it. Fuck, they're gonna get in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to keep going straight. Big tornado, look at that thing. Is this gonna cross this road, Kevin?
Yeah, because this road's gonna bend a little south. It might cross right in front of us.
Okay. That's a big tornado.
Us. Bend around.
Right there off to our left.
Should I flip around?
Well,
Look at that thing.
I'm just gonna pop my head out the door.
Okay. I'm gonna stop right here.
look at that ocean. You want me to double you back and try for another intercept?
I don't know.
I see where we could do one. It might be a view just
Can
like
I creep up here and see if we have a view?
Sure.
Wow, look at that.
We just warned this to 8:30.